Faheem Educational Publishers, the devoted with passion. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Faheem Publishers English book for class 2 Talal series English is a complete and comprehensive book for class 2 students which has been written keeping in mind all the requirements of the concerned level of class 2. The book is written on the basis of basic skills of English language like reading, listening, comprehension and writing, with learning objectives and special instructions for the teachers. All the lessons are rich in vocabulary according to the level of class 2. All the lessons are planned and written according to the curriculum. The exercises included in the book are well planned and have a good repetition of all the skills which are required for teaching English language. The book has been divided into 14 units. Unit number 1, a holiday at home. Unit number 2, a picnic. Unit number 3, Farah goes to market. Unit number 4, spring. Unit number 5, never give up. Unit number 6, I love my country. Unit number 7, value of honesty. Unit number 8, I wonder. Unit number 9, a great invention. Unit number 10, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Unit number 11, rain in summer. Unit number 12, the fairy and flying bat. Unit number 13, the great leader. Unit number 14, the blessing. Unit number 1, a holiday at home. This lesson is based upon family activities. The activities which are performed by the family on a holiday. The exercise contains answer questions, making sentences, complete the spellings, and there is great fund of grammar in the whole book by the name of Grammar Time, starting from lesson number 1. This lesson has present continuous tense and the activities based upon present continuous tense. There is also the questions included which are answered in yes or no. There is creative writing question. The students are asked to write by their own selves. Unit number 2 is picnic. Here the concept of picnic is explained through a picnic activity and with the help of pictures. The exercise has same questions, and in grammar time the students are taught past continuous tense with the help of rules and activities. There is also the question of creative writing about past continuous tense. Unit number 3, Farah goes to market. This lesson is based upon the activities of a mother and daughter in a market for shopping. There are different pictures of market as well to explain the concept accurately. The exercise is based upon the same questions as are in previous chapters. In grammar time, present indefinite tense has been explained with the help of rules, and there is another grammar question, that is use of don't. In creative writing, there is a question given with reference to the lesson which has been taught. Unit number 4 is a poem, that is spring. Here the blessings and beauty of spring season has been explained in excellent way. The students are given the concept of rhyming words in exercise, and in grammar time the noun is included that has been explained with the help of rules to make singular and plural nouns. And also there is a creative writing question. Unit number 5 is never give up. Here the students are taught a story of thirsty crow, and they are given the concept of reading a story and listening the story. Exercise is based upon different kinds of questions to repeat the lesson again. In grammar time, past indefinite tense has been explained with the help of rules, and activities are given for the practice. Concept of pronoun has also been given here along with the creative writing question. Unit number 6, I love my country. Here the different facts about Pakistan has been given in an interesting way. Exercise is based upon questions and other things related to the chapter. Here the use of verb in present and past time and changing present into past tense has been explained with the help of different activities. There is also a concept of masculine and feminine. There is given an activity to repeat the concept of masculine and feminine, and as usual there is the concept of creative writing. Unit number 8, I wonder. In this poem, the wonders of nature has been described. The exercise is based upon the questions related to the poem. In grammar portion, adjective has been explained and comparative degree of adjective has been explained with the help of activities. Unit number 9, a great invention. Here the great scientist Edison Thomson's work of inventing bulb has been described in an interesting way. Exercise based upon the questions related to the lesson. In grammar portion, present continuous tense and past continuous tense has been explained again, and the changing of tenses has been given with the help of activities. There is also a portion of creative writing with the help of a picture. Unit number 10, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Here the story of two friends has been written to give a moral lesson to the children about friendship. Exercise is based upon the questions related to the lesson. Also, the activity about possessive pronouns has been given along with the creative writing question. Unit number 11, rain in summer. In this poem, the blessings of rain has been explained, and the exercise is based upon the questions related to the poem. Here the grammar portion consists of compound words and voice of animal. Also there is the concept of creative writing using a picture. Unit number 12 is the fairy and flying bird. In this lesson, the concept of fairy tale has been explained in an excellent way. Exercise is based upon the questions related to the lesson. In grammar, the concept of contractions and to has been given. Also, there is activity based upon the use of to, and creative writing about a fairy tale has been given. Unit number 13 is the great leader. This lesson has been written with reference to the great leader, the father of a nation, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and the information about his life, education, his achievements has been given. Exercise is based upon the questions related to the lesson. In grammar, the concept of preposition is given. The last lesson, unit number 14, the blessing is a poem. Here, the importance of trees has been explained. Exercise is based upon the questions related to the lesson. In grammar time, the concept of rhyming words has been repeated, and also there is a concept of asking permission. Creative writing is with the help of a map to describe something. So Talal Series English is a complete and comprehensive book for class 2 students, recorded lectures of all the lessons with a complete solution of all the exercises are available. Hope you will support the great work of Faheem Publishers, which has been done in Talal Series English for class 2. Thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz. You can find us on Facebook, also on YouTube. Subscribe our channel. You can find and follow us on Twitter. Faheem Educational Publishers, the devoted with passion.